Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we pit two products against each other to help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we have a drone showdown that will blow your mind, literally. On the left, we have the Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone. On the right, we have the TOMZON A23 mini drone. It's like David versus Goliath, but with propellers. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. Holystone comes in at a cool $99. It's packed with features, making it a premium choice. Meanwhile, TOMZON is just $39. It's the budget-friendly, no-nonsense drone you buy when you want to have fun without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate TOMZON for its affordability and fun factor, while Holystone is praised for offering good value despite the higher price. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, the camera. Holystone boasts a 1080 PFOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. You can capture stunning aerial shots with it. TOMZON, on the other hand, doesn't come with a camera. It's more about the fun of flying and doing tricks. If you're into aerial photography, Holystone is your go-to. Reviewers love Holystone for its camera capabilities, while TOMZON is appreciated for its simplicity and ease of use. Next up, flight features. Holystone is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Altitude hold, headless mode, mobile control, voice control, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. TOMZON keeps it simple with one-key takeoff, throw-to-go, 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. Reviewers find Holystone's features extensive and useful, while TOMZON's straightforward controls make it great for beginners and kids. Battery life. Because nobody likes a drone that dies mid-air, Holystone gives you 20 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. TOMZON offers 18 minutes with its two modular batteries. Holystone gives you 2 extra minutes to show off your skills. Reviewers note that Holystone's battery life is decent, but appreciate TOMZON's quick recharge time and adequate flight duration. Finally, let's talk build quality and safety. Holystone is built like a tank and is durable enough for beginners. TOMZON is made of quality, tough materials and comes with 4 propeller guards, making it kid-friendly and almost indestructible. Reviewers have praised Holystone for its durability and TOMZON for its child-friendly design and resilience. Summarizing the reviews, Holystone HS110D is praised for its advanced features, camera quality, and durability, making it a great choice for beginners looking to get serious about flying. TOMZON A23, on the other hand, is loved for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, making it perfect for kids and casual flyers. All right, Buy Smart family, there you have it. The Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone versus the TOMZON A23 mini drone. If you're looking for advanced features and a killer camera, Holystone is your guy. But if you're on a budget and want a fun, easy-to-use drone, TOMZON's got your name written all over it. Let us know in the comments which drone you think takes the crown. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.